Hello children, how are you all? Hope that all of you are fine. Welcome to the third session of class 3rd computer, chapter 1, a computer system. Already we discussed about the computer system and their functions, computer and its parts, then what are the kinds of output, types of hardware equipment, functioning. In this session we are discussing about the IPO cycle. IPO cycle means input, process, output. There are 3 steps. In the first step we are giving the inputs. Then in second step we are processing that input data. Then finally we are getting the output. See, in this picture we are taking a printout from the computer. Step 1, we are giving the data. We are entering the data using input devices. Then second step is processing. Processing means that input data is processing through the CPU. Then finally we are getting the printed output through output device printer. Okay, this is the process cycle of IPO, input, process, output. For example, we have to add two numbers, 7 and 8. Here 7 and 8, two numbers. These two numbers are the input. Then adding 7 plus and 8, that is the process, and the total amount 15 is the output of the process. Then input, when data is entered into the computer and the computer receives it. What is process? Process means when the computer processes the information that has been entered. Third one, output, when information or result is being displayed by the computer. Okay, so IPO means input, process, output. Now let's move to the exercise part. First, multiple choice questions. First one, a computer is an electronic machine. Second one, CPU is the brain of a computer. Third one, a computer has about 105 keys on it. Fourth one, joystick has got a stick to give signals. Next one is fill in the blanks. First one, mouse is used to move things on a computer screen. Second one, keyboard is used to input our work. Third, data is processed by the CPU. And fourth one is printer is an output device. Now let's check the answer the following session. Chapter 1, computer system. First question, how do you define a computer? Answer is, a computer is an electronic machine that can store, organize and find information and do calculations. Second question, name the various parts of a computer. The parts of a computer are mainly hardware and software. The hardware parts are monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, etc. Okay. So the parts of a computer are hardware like monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, etc. and software. Then third question is, what is First one hardware, B software. What is hardware? All physical parts of a computer are collectively called hardware. B software. What is software? Software are programs used to operate the computer. Fourth question, what are the main functions of a computer? Answer is, the main functions of a computer are, first one entering the data, second one processing the data, third one data storage, fourth one output of data processing. Question number 5, name the various parts of a computer hardware. Answer is, the various parts of a computer hardware are, first one monitor, second one central processing unit, third one mouse, fourth one keyboard, etc. Then last question is, what is Ipo cycle? Answer is, according to input process output IPO model, the computer system accepts data as input, processes it and provides the required output. Okay. Dear children, it is to inform you well in advance that all the textual exercises must be completed and should submit me on the reopening day of our school. So it will consider as a assignment. Okay. So let's wind up the today's session. Bye bye all.